Hello everyone, greetings to all. Welcome back in our English period. We have finished new words and dictation words in our last period. So it's time to start reading the whole lesson and also understanding. Okay? So let's start. First, take out your textbooks and open the page number 15. Have you done it? Yes, very good. So read the lesson with me. Okay? Once there was a small town beside a river. Put your finger on the same line, okay? Put your finger on the same line which I read. Once there was a small town beside the river. The town was called Berry Town. Everyone who lived there was crazy about berries. They loved to eat berries, to look at berries, and they even loved to smell berries. Once there was a small town beside the river. There was a small town beside the river. कराड़ सिटी इज beside the river. कराड़ भी रिवर के पास ही है ना? Yes. Which river? कोयना. Yes. Like that. Once there was a small town beside the river. वहाँ पे वो रिवर के पास एक टाउन था. Okay. The town was called Berry Town. What is the name of that town? Berry Town. हमारे सिटी का नाम क्या है? कराड़. The name of that town? Berry Town. Okay? The town was called Berry Town. Everyone who lived there was crazy about berries. The people from the Berry Town are crazy about berries. वहाँ के जो peoples थे वो किस लिए crazy थे? The peoples of the Berry Town was crazy about berries. They love to eat berries. The people of the Berry Town love to eat berries, to look at the berries, and they also love to smell berries. They also love to स्मेल बेरीज. उनको जो थे ना वो बेरीज बहुत अच्छे लगते थे खाने के लिए, स्मेल लेने के लिए और देखने के लिए. ओके, दे लुक एट द बेरीज, स्मेल टू द बेरीज एंड लुक एट द बेरीज. ओके, नेक्स्ट. During the season, the people of Berry Town, during the spring season, the people of Berry Town went over the bridge. During the spring season, the people of Berry Town went over the bridge across the river to the fields. They planted all kinds of berries: strawberry, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. In summer, when the berries were ripe, there was a big parade. Means the people from the Berry Town in the spring season, the peoples from the Berry Town march towards the spring season. During the spring season, the people of Berry Town went over the bridge. They are walking towards the bridge. Okay, they planted all kinds of berries. The people of the Berry Town are planted all kinds of berries. Means स्ट्रॉबेरी, रास्पबेरी, ब्लूबेरी, ब्लैकबेरी. आपने स्ट्रॉबेरी देखी है ना? ब्लैकबेरी देखिए? Yes, very good. So the people of Berry Town planted all kinds of berries. Now tell me the name of that berries. Strawberry, raspberry, blueberries, and blackberries. And when in the summer season, the berries were ripe, there was a big parade. Everyone marched through the town on their way to the berry fields. But one year, when the people of Berry Town reached the bridge, something was wrong. There was something very big, very scaly, and very scary blocking the bridge. It was dragon. But what happened one year? There was something very big on the bridge. वहाँ पे ना एक साल कुछ तो अलग हुआ. वो जो ब्रिज था वहाँ पे उनको कुछ तो बड़ा दिखा. What is that? There was something very big, very scaly, and very scary blocking the bridge. उनको ब्रिज पे कुछ तो बड़ा दिखा. वो कैसा था? स्केली, स्केरी, एंड उसने पूरा का पूरा ब्रिज जो था वो ब्लॉक करके रखा था. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज दैट? इट वाज अ ड्रैगन. ओके. No one may cross this bridge, said the dragon. The berries are all mine. The dragon said, no one may cross this bridge. ये ब्रिज कोई भी पास नहीं करेगा क्योंकि ये सारी की सारी जो बेरीज है वो मेरी है. No one may cross this bridge. Why? Because all the berries are mine, said the dragon. The town people were scared and they turned away sadly. अगर हमने कुछ बड़ा वाला देखा तो हम डरते हैं ना. अगर टाइगर आया हमारे सामने तो डरेंगे या नहीं? यस. वैसे ही ये जो पेरी टाउन के पीपल थे वो द पीपल्स आर वेरी स्केयर्ड, सारे के सारे डर गए और दे टर्न बैक टू देयर होम सैडली, और वो सारे के सारे सैड होके अपने अपने घर जाने लगे. लेकिन वेट, कम अ स्मॉल वॉइस. इट वॉज ऑफ अ लिटिल गर्ल नेम होली. देन they hear a small voice. Wait, wait, wait. Come a small voice. Now tell me, who's this voice? It was a little girl named Holy. What is the name of girl? Holy. It was a little girl named Holy who said, wait, wait. I have an idea, Holy said to the dragon. I have an idea, Holy said to the dragon. Let's have a contest. If I win, you have to go away. Then Holy said to the dragon, I have an idea. I have an idea. Who said this? Holy said to the dragon, I have an idea. Let's have a contest. Holy said to the dragon, we have a contest. Okay? If you win, then you have. If I win, then you have to go away. देन होली सेड टू द ड्रैगन, अगर हमने कॉन्टेस्ट जीत ली तो तुम्हें यहाँ से जाना होगा. ओके. सो द ड्रैगन सेड ओके, सेड द ड्रैगन. ड्रैगन सेड ओके. ओके. नेक्स्ट, but if I win, then everyone has to work in the berry field for me. But here the dragon said, if you win, then I have to go away. But if I win, then you have to work for me in the berry field. Okay. The school teacher came to the front and brought an apple in one hand and 2 peas in the other hand. Then one school teacher come in the front of dragon and he or she take 2 things in hand, 1 apple and 2 peas. Okay. The teacher asked, which is heavier, 1 apple or 2 peas? Then teacher asked to the dragon, which is heavier, 1 apple or 2 peas? The dragon snorted. Everyone knows that 2 things are heavier than 1 thing. So 2 peas are heavier than 1 thing. Here the dragon snorted and gave the answer that 2 things are always heavier than 1 thing. So the 2 peas are heavier than 1 apple. It is correct. 2 green peas are heavier than 1 apple. आपको क्या लगता है? Yes, and 1 apple is heavier than 2 peas. So 2 things are not always heavier than 1 thing. 2 things are not always heavier than 1 thing, said Holy. I know 1 apple is heavier than 2 things. The teacher took a scale and put 1 apple on one side and the 2 peas on the other side. Here teacher took a weighing scale. Weighing balance देखा है ना आपने? Weighing scale, and she took 1 apple in one side and 2 peas on the other side. Then the side of apple went down. Okay. यहाँ पे टीचर ने क्या, पहले तो मुझे बताओ, आप ग्रोसरी शॉप में जाते हो? यस नो. वहाँ पे आपने वेइंग स्केल देखा है? अगर आप बोलते हो अंकल मुझे 1 kg शुगर चाहिए, तो देखा है ना आपने वहाँ पे? यस. वैसे ही टीचर ने यहाँ पे वेइंग स्केल लिया, उसमें 1 साइड में एप्पल रखा और दूसरी साइड में 2 पीसेस रखे. सो द एप्पल साइड वेंट डाउन. The apple side went down. The apple was heavier. The dragon dragon had lost. He had to go away. Here the apple side went down. So the apple was heavier. Apple was heavier. The dragon had lost, or he lost the contest. Then he had to go away. Here dragon lost the contest. So as per decision, he had to go away. The people of Berry Town were very happy. The people of Berry Town were very happy. They went to the other side of the bridge and collect all the berries for everyone. वो जो people थे वो सारे के सारे बहुत happy हुए. They all are happy and they collected all kinds of berries for everyone. Okay? अभी आपको क्या करना है? Read the whole lesson. Okay? Read whole lesson and understand it. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.